Hello guys, welcome to another video of Ingis Education. Currently I am developing a course in computer vision based robotics. At the beginning, when I tried to learn OpenCV object detection for robotic path planning, I found it chaotic. Also, lots of the courses available online cost a fortune. In this video I am going to demonstrate Tesla Cybertruck autonomous object avoidance. I have used Python, OpenCV and VRAP robot simulation software. I have built Tesla Cybertruck in CAD file. For this purpose I have used Autodesk Inventor 2019 CAD software. I made the car in CAD file, then imported it to the VRAP simulation. This is my Tesla car and it has got onboard camera. If it sees any bollard in front of it, it can recognize it. It can triangulate it to its location in distance and it gives the reading in feet and avoid the bollard. Dear viewers, stay with me and subscribe. I'm going to publish the OpenCV course in 2 weeks time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.